How to fix Trust Wallet app not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down. Scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Reset. After click on Reset All Settings. After click on Reset All Settings, you will see. So it's just reset all setting. It's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After reset all setting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, again click on Settings app. Scroll down and click on Apps. After click on Apps, scroll down and search Trust Wallet app from here. Scroll down. You will see Trust Wallet app. For example, this is Trust Wallet app. Click on Trust Wallet app and click on Storage and click on Clear Cache. After click on Clear Cache, click on Clear Data. You will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Trust Wallet app not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.